This is Hannah, friends. Are protecting families by protecting pack. I'm gonna be installing the Tech Max LED on these Sequoias here. It's been kind of dim lately, so I figured I upgrade it for my wife here. See how it goes. So here is the stuff. Now on the manual it says that you have to make sure that certain things are faced certain ways. So let's kind of get a little review on how that works. So there it is. And here's the bulbs. Let's pull that out. And it says this should be on the bottom. And the low beam should be facing on top. So just like that. So it should be going in this way. So cable should be pointing down. Let's see this thing on the other side. And what's kind of interesting is that these things actually have their own built-in fans. And that's kind of cool, huh? So there it is. Alright, so cable should be pointing downward. So that tells you what to do. So got my boy here. That's the only time when we can actually do stuff is they just come along. So you pull that out. There it is. And let's see, I really need to twist it or what. Let's see here. Let's see here. Looks like we have this thing. I have some kind of weird mechanism. Let me do it here. It's a little more open. Kind of see what's going on here. So I just gotta pull this off completely. There it goes. Cool. It's a sleeve. There. Once the sleeve is off, you can get access to this whole cable. Just comes off, and then you can see it. And then I think there's a little, maybe a latch. Here it goes. Unlatch it there, and nope, comes right off. So cool. So I just have a latching system. Looks like an old bulb. Put that back over there, and we'll stick this back in, and then we'll just latch it right back. Stick that in there. All right, and it's in place. Oh shoot! I'll latch this in place. Okay, here it goes. And it's back in, so we're set. And then we just gotta plug everything back in, and then we're good. So that's how you install it. If you missed that, it's a pretty simple job. Let's do it for the other side. Get that little latch off. Push and swing over. Pull it out. There it is. And we'll get the old one right there. Alright, and we'll make sure the cable is down. And stick it in. Line them up. And then latch it back in there. And we're all set. There we go. Swing and latch it back in. There you go. And we're all set. Looks good, looks centered. And then I'm just gonna plug it back in. So this will be a little tricky because I got kiddos with me doing stuff. So we have to get kind of a, let's call it creative here. How things get done. So just gonna hug my boy while I slip this back in. You know what? I don't think I might leave this out because there's actually a fan in there that needs to circulate. So I don't know. And yeah, I think it'll be fine. The fan can probably stick out of this. I think. We'll see. And if it doesn't work out, I'll just pull it out. You know what? I think it'll probably be easier just not do it. I think it's pretty well insulated here. So there it is. Just snap these cables right back in there. And we're set. It's got airflow because it's gonna get hot. And we'll take this out too. And push these guys in. And we're in business. Top cable. There. Alright, so cool. Well, let's go ahead and moment of truth here. Start her up and see what happens. So I'll keep these as backup just in case, you know, they blow out or whatever. Bam! LEDs. Alright, it doesn't do justice during the day, but at least they work. There's the high beams. Low beams, high beams. So I'm excited to see how that goes. Alright. Actually, let me just look at them. Let's see what they look like. Wow. It's got a nice white glow to it now, so it's kind of exciting. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and the fan's definitely flying, so. Alright, cool. Alright, well, we'll talk to you then. Anyways, it's in the description below if you want to get the link to this item. Thanks.